Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My topic for today is cyber law. In simple way, we can say that cyber crimes is unlawful act wherein the computer is either a tool or a target or both. Cyber crimes can involve criminal activities that are traditional in nature such as theft, fraud, forgery, defamation and mischief, and all of such are subject to the Indian Penal Code. The abuse of computers has also given birth to gamut of new age crimes that are addressed by the Information Technology Act 2000. We can categorize cyber crimes in two ways. The computer as a target, using a computer to attack other computers, example hacking, virus, worm attacks, DOS attack, etc. Now, two, computer as a weapon, using a computer to commit real world crime, example cyber terrorism, IPR violation, credit card frauds, EFT frauds, pornography, etc. Cyber law, also referred to as cyber law, is a term used to describe the legal issue related to use of communications technology, particularly cyberspace, that is the internet. It is less a distinct field of law in the way that property or contract are as it is an intersection of many legal fields including intellectual property, privacy, freedom of expression and jurisdiction. In essence, cyber law is an attempt to integrate the challenges presented by human activity on the internet with legacy system of laws applicable to the physical world. When internet was deployed, developers of internet hardly had any inclination that internet could transform itself into an pervading revolution which could be misused for criminal activities and which required regulation. Today, there are many disturbing things happening in cyberspace due to the anonymous nature of internet. It is possible to engage into a variety of criminal activities with impunity, and people with intelligence have been grossly misusing this aspect of the internet to perpetuate criminal activities in cyberspace. Hence, we need cyber laws in India. Cyber laws is important because it touches almost all aspects of transactions and activities concerning the internet, the World Wide Web, and cyberspace. Initially, it may seem the cyber law is a very technical field and that it does not have any bearing the most activities in cyberspace. But the actual truth is that nothing could be further than the truth. Whether we realize it or not, every action and every reaction in cyberspace has some legal and cyber legal perspective. The IDA 2002 attempts to change outdated laws and provides a way to deal with cybercrimes. Such laws so that people perform purchase transactions over the net through credit cards without fear to misuse. That also affords the much needed legal framework so that information is not denied legal effect, validity or enforceability solely on the ground that it is in the form of electronic records. Thank you.